Hello, welcome to These Are the Hands writing mini lesson. As writers, we've explored the writing process and how it is different and unique to everyone. We're going to continue to explore writing in a writing workshop. So now I want us to engage in a writing workshop together. This is going to help us imagine what writing workshop feels like and sounds like, the parts in a writing workshop, but it'll also give us an opportunity to write and share our own writing with others in our class. Today, I want to explore how we use writing to learn more about ourselves and our classmates. We might have already done a little bit of this already this school year. You might have watched YouTube video introductions about your teachers. You might have watched a Dr. Week's welcome video. You might have completed some Seesaw activities this week where you shared information about yourselves and learned things about your classmates. Now, I want to take that a step further and learn more about ourselves and our classmates. In terms of writing craft, we're going to think about how images can spark our thinking. So right now, we're thinking about ourselves, we're thinking about our memories, and we're thinking about writing in general to help us be better writers about our lives. So I want to take a moment here. Look down at your hands, and I want you to describe what you see. Maybe you say this inside of your head. Maybe you say it outside of your head to someone else inside the room. But what do you see when you look down at your hands? How would you describe the color? How would you describe the shape? How would you describe the lines? How might you describe the texture of your hands? What kind of feelings do you have when you look at your hands? Now, let's take a moment to think about what those hands do and what your hands give to you. What kind of things do you do with your hands? What do they hold? What do your hands share? And what might your hands interact with? Now let's take this a little bit step further. How might you describe these hands? What do you think these hands have held on to? What do you think these hands might have done in their life? Or what might they still want to do? And what about these hands? How would you describe these hands? What do these hands hold on to? How are these hands different than the hands we just saw? And what about these hands? How are these hands different? What story might these hands tell? And what about these hands? How might you describe these? What do you think these hands have held on to? What do you think these hands have seen? What might these hands still want to do? Sometimes in writing workshop we use mentor texts. These mentor texts might be poems, short stories, picture books, but here we're going to use images or pictures of hands as our mentor texts. We're thinking about how these mentor texts or pictures of hands can spark our craft as a writer. So, what I want you to do is take out your writer's notebook, and I want you to go ahead and trace your own hand. So we're going to trace our own hand in our writer's notebook. And as you trace, I want you to think about things your hands have held, things they have done, and things they want to do. Think about things that make your hands special as you trace. After tracing your hands, I want you to jot down words to capture your thinking. That is all around the idea of your hands. You can write the words you're thinking inside your drawing of your hand. Maybe you want to draw it on your palm. Maybe you want to write words along your fingers. You can use your whole page to capture your ideas. Maybe you want to draw something quickly to capture your thinking. So now, writers, we're going to write a piece inspired by your hands, inspired by the images we looked at, inspired by looking at your own hands. Start by looking at your notebook and the tracing of your hand. Look at all the words and drawings you put all around your hands. Pick a seed idea from your notebook. Maybe it's a word, a phrase, a picture, a memory. Maybe you want to write something special that your hands have held. Maybe you want to write something that your hands have done that was important or made an impact onto you. Or maybe something that your hands still want to do, or a goal for the future. You can title that piece, "These Are the Hands," or you can choose your own title. Now that we've brainstormed, it's time for you to go back into your writer's notebook and draft a piece. Now, just like any time in writing workshop, if we were in the classroom, we might go back to our seat and quietly start writing. So find that spot that's a quiet, peaceful spot for you to start writing. When you're finished with your writing piece, we're going to share. So please take a photo of the piece you wrote into your writer's notebook. I would also love to see the tracing of your hand. You can do that by clicking on the student template, clicking on the photo button, and then you can either take a picture with your computer using the photo camera, or if it's on your phone, you can just upload that picture onto the Seesaw activity. Please post any questions that you have.